we will begin the installation process. The first step we will need to do is mount this ISO file that we have downloaded from the various previous video into our virtual machine. So I will go to setting. I can go to storage here. No need to go to setting, no, storage, and or you just go to setting and using storage. So and you will see the empty disk icon here. So empty, and we're choosing virtual optical disk file and go into the directory that you have downloaded the ISO file, choosing that file and open, and it's okay. You see that now the ISO file has mounted into your virtual machines. The mounted actions is just you have a CD, or in this case you should using a DVD, and you burn this ISO file into that DVD, and then you put it into your CD drive. So we have put the CD into our CD drive. So we will boot the machine, press the power button. In this case we will press start. Our machine will automatic boot in 10 seconds. We will maximize it. It will boot into a full graphical user interface, because what we are using here is a libcd. Okay, I will put it into full screen mode. We're choosing view and then full screen mode and switch. Okay, it said that Cinnamon is currently running without video hardware accelerations. Oh, that's not an important message. At the first look, you can see that the interface is very similar to Windows 7. So if you have went from Windows into Linux world, some people will recommend you choosing Ubuntu, but my opinion is you should choosing Mint, because Mint have a layout, a interface a lot like Windows 7. So it will help you familiar with it faster. And I will try to open Firefox by searching through the application list and press enter. Okay, here's the Firefox, and you can see that the boot in a libcd. I fully have audio, and it can indicate the status of our battery, of my battery. Here is the workspace indicator. Okay, since our goal is install Linux Mint onto our hard disk, we will choosing install Linux Mint. Double click on this icon on the desktop. Here, is our installation interface. Choosing language, I will choosing English and continue. For best result, please ensure that this computer will have at least 6.4 GB write speed and plug into power source, connect to the internet. So all three emit, so I will continue. Okay, a lot of advanced option here, but I will choosing the default options. Install, and it will automatically partitions the display. It will have one partitions of ext for root and one partitions as swap. Continue. So choosing okay, Hanoi. I am in Vietnam, so I will choosing Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, and continue. Choosing your locations, just press the city near you. And keyboard layout. Okay, I am using a standard keyboard, so you just left it at default English keyboard layout. Continue. Choosing my name, James, and my computer, pick a name, choose a password. It is optional. If you want to log in automatically, just left it, or you will require password to log in. I will require password for login, and this password is essential because your pseudo privilege will depend on this. I will talk about it later. So we're choosing a password. It's a bit slow. Password not much. Okay, and I will choosing login automatically and continue. Copying file. It's showing you some information about Linux Mint cinnamon versions. So it have Java, Flash, and multimedia content reinstalled for you. It has Banshee and a music player, and it also includes audio codec for you to play all kind of audio file. It has VLC for playing video, and it also included video codec. It has gthumb for viewing image. Oh, it has Pigeon for chat client, It has Thunderbird for email client. For Office application, it has LibreOffice, and LibreOffice support Microsoft Office file, and it also support PDF file. If you playing game, you can play it through Steam. A lot of Windows game now on Steam, and Skype for over the internet, and Google Earth, Picasa for image suite. You have Y and VirtualBox for running virtual applications. Y for running Windows applications, and VirtualBox for you to just create a virtual machine like we are doing here and install whatever operating system you want to. You can customize your desktop, choose theme, icon and background. Linux Mint is open and easy to customize. Okay, I admit that. And it have a update manager. Update manager I often do not use the GUI update manager, and it said that our system is up to date now, so nothing to apply updates here. I often just update through the command line interface, and I will show you how later. So next, something if you're facing problems, simply ask around. Okay, we reached the end, and it seems take a lot of time to install, so I will pause the video here and we'll come back when something need a user to interact with the installation process. And the installations has been complete. We will restart it now. It seems unrespond. Okay, we now have a fully installed Mint on our machine. So when we press the reboot, the system will seem unresponsive. You have to go into the machine and then choosing reset. That's just like you put a hard button reset on your case. And I will try to reboot it again. Menu and reboot. No, this is a log out. Restart. Now everything seems fine. Okay, I think there are some problem with the ISO install. Okay, but I have installed a lot of Mint on a real machines. Nothing, no, nothing happened like this. So don't worry. Okay, so we have finished installations from an ISO file into our virtual machine.